video, I am going to discuss about 4 learning styles according to Honey and Mumford model. Peter Honey and Alan Mumford identifies 4 distinct learning styles, which are activist, reflectors, theorist, and pragmatist. Each learning style describes a preference for a particular approach to learning. Here is a detailed explanation of each style with examples. The first is activist. Activist enjoys new experiences and challenges, thrives in group setting and enjoy brainstorming and problem-solving sessions, learns best through direct involvement and hands-on activities. An activist learner would excel in a workshop where they can participate in group discussions, role play, and interactive exercises. For instance, during a team building exercise, an activist would eagerly participate in activities that require collaboration and immediate problem solving. Reflectors prefer to observe and think about experiences from different perspectives, takes time to reflect before drawing conclusions, learns best through careful observation and analysis. A reflector learner would benefit from activities that allow for reflection and thoughtful consideration. For instance, in a classroom setting, a reflector might prefer to listen to a lecture, take detailed notes, and then review and reflect on the material before participating in a discussion. Theorist enjoys understanding the theory behind actions, prefer logical, structured, and systematic approaches to learning, learns best through models, concepts, and theories. A theorist learner would thrive in a structured learning environment where they can delve into the underlying principles of a subject. For example, in a science class, a theorist would enjoy learning about the scientific method and the theories behind experiments before conducting them. The pragmatist prefer practical hands-on approaches, enjoys applying concepts to real-world situations, learns best through experimentation and applying new ideas directly. A pragmatist learner would excel in scenarios where they can apply what they have learned in practical setting. For instance, in a business course, a pragmatist might prefer to a case study method where they can apply theoretical knowledge to solve real business problems. Now, to effectively apply Honey and Mumford's learning style in an educational and training setting, consider the following strategies. For activists, incorporate interactive and engaging activities such as workshop, role play, and group projects. For reflectors, provide opportunities for reflection such as journals, observation tasks, and discussion forums where they can share their insights. For theorists, use structured material that explain the underlying theories, models, and frameworks. Include detailed lectures, reading materials, and systematic analysis. For pragmatists, offer practical exercises, real-life problem-solving activities, and opportunities to implement new skill and concept directly. By recognizing and accommodating these different learning styles, educators and trainers can create more effective and inclusive learning environments that cater to the diverse needs of their learners. Now try this.